How to add cover photo on your Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add a cover photo to your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook. Now like you see on my profile, to go to this, click on the profile icon, and now all you need to do is you should already have a cover photo. Click on it and you can now upload a photo from your gallery or select a photo on Facebook. For example, the photo that you already have on your Facebook albums. Now or you can just create a cover or select something else, and this is it. It's so easy and quick. You just have to click on your cover photo and you're gonna give you those options. It's so easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.